Hello and good morning. I'm with Mr. Ingo Bathe from imos, Germany, which is a very prominent company in the software solutions for furniture manufacturer. Ingo, how are you?
Well, we are doing fine. Good day to you.
Thank you very much. It was really busy LIGNA, and I must thank you for participating in LIGNA and LIGNA Digital Daily that we produce jointly with Team LIGNA. How was your experience?
For us, the LIGNA is like always the most important marketplace every 2 years in our calendar. This is for sure. But simultaneously, also the LIGNA is for us usually time where we launch our new developments, our new innovations, and the ideas from us to the market. So I would say it is the best time of the year. So of course, we really look forward to the digital LIGNA, the innovative network, to take place this year, and we like to be part of it. And of course, we are a bit sad that we do not have our usual face-to-face exhibition, but the fact that we can hold an event this year under the digital conditions shows also that the LIGNA becomes a bit more innovative than before. And as a marketplace, the LIGNA always gave us and the customers and the entire industry, as always, great impulse of innovations. And this time it means for our customers, we are launching the version iX21. This is for us, the LIGNA time.
Yes, I will come to that later on. Tell me something. Do you see any possibilities of hybrid events in future? Possibilities of virtual event and physical event?
Well, I think it will be in future a mix of. The people are really like to be on an exhibition like LIGNA every 2 years face to face. But we still have also the option of a digital event to launch products, to just bring the features to the market, and a hybrid format, I believe, will be also in future be part of the LIGNA. But for me personally, I would love to be also face-to-face with our customers. And yeah, this is for sure, this is something where we wait for.
Definitely, as both of we agree that there is no alternate to face-to-face meetings. Okay, Ingo, tell me something. You have launched in LIGNA recently iX2021. So how was the response?
The response was so far so good. We did also simultaneously the launch of the new version on our website together, and once we do that in LIGNA, always our exhibition always has two important areas that we go for. The first is, of course, the launch of the latest development of the latest version, and new modules, new features, new functions, new networking features with the release of iX21. But second also, and this is this time a bit tricky and why we missed also the face-to-face, we always have an environment in LIGNA, we call it so far the iX Lab. So this is always a study environment where we discuss together with our customers in which direction our software should develop and move. And we always try to give innovative answers to the questions of our customers. This is what matters to us. So to answer in the right way to the questions of our customers. That is, and the response to the latest version iX21 was, I would say, great. We did a complete new line, a new iX line. We call that iScout, which also comes out of the today's business. iScout is for sharing complex order and design data quite easy. And the iScout is a cloud service. And today we are also working via cloud services in this meeting, for example. And this iScout cloud service simplifies more or less communication and the process in order to handle printed documentations. So it's for getting instantly design data, manufacturing information displayed on a tablet computer, for example, in the production or during the assembly process. Always up to date and available at any time. So of course, we like to emphasize that we have created a new product with iX21, as well as with this new product line, iX Scout. And I only can recommend everyone to take a look at this option. And we did also the launch in the LIGNA area of imos. Yeah, we really love it.
Right. Recently, we have seen your corporate presentation in the LIGNA Digital Daily that you participated. It's an amazing video, I must say. See, Ingo, cloud computing is the latest technology. But one question we get many times that small carpenters or furniture manufacturer, they always say like digital technology, it's very nice, sounds very well. But is it affordable by them?
It is, yes, of course. What we did also with the new version iX21, we have optional the way that cloud services could directly gain the customers' products without having a huge import of innovation, without having huge, let's say, training efforts or building up data before starting with software solutions getting their production data. And also what we did is our core business is the CAD/CAM technology, so the manufacturing part, in which we build production lists, we generate NC data, multi-machine options, intelligent workflows, all this where even smaller customers benefit from every day. And this is what we call the iX CAD/CAM technology. And that's the daily business for customers to be able to manufacture their products precisely with the imos data. But what we also did, and this becomes also a very interesting part of affordable, we increase the efficiency a lot. So there are a lot of new features and also performance increases as always, especially in the manufacturing area, where we developed a small iBots. We call that iBots are for us software robots. So we developed such a kind of software robots. Customers now have the opportunity to automate all process even more than before. And then it's a great thing for us. And we love to keep showing our customers how innovative we can help them, even for smaller companies. And this is a new, I would say, a new dimension of efficiency to our customers, even to just automate small processes and large processes. And customers who we have already installed these iBots technology are super excited. They are so excited that they give us frequently new ideas to automate even more than we guess for. So yes.
Great, that's really good to know. Ingo, can you tell us something about iX manufacturer?
Well, the manufacturer is the core business, the heart of the imos technology. It is, I mean, that is where we came from, the design and manufacture. We call that CAD/CAM technology. It is the engine and the data machine for customers, yeah, to be able to generate their NC data, their production list, and all that stuff. So based on the manufacturing part of the iX manufacturer of the CAD/CAM technology, we did a lot of new options to integrate point of sale solutions, to have this cloud service available for the iX Scout solution, that all documentation can be delivered on a tablet computer. So the iX manufacturer is the core business of imos technology.
Okay. As I remember, iX Interior, I think we have seen in some show last year. It is for the interior designing. It makes life very easy to design the plan your interior. How has been response about that?
Well, the interior was more or less the idea of building an own ecosystem for our customers. An ecosystem for furniture customers could be from the point of sale until to deliver the ready-made furniture, the custom furniture to the customer by itself. So for this entire process, the iX Interior could be a software suite in which we put in all the functions in all the software environment as an own ecosystem for a manufacturer of a furniture supplier. And this is, a suite of all functions down from the point of sale to the delivery status to the customer.
Is it mainly for the contract furniture or for your home furniture, for kitchen, for other things like for B2C market as well?
It is for all the furniture manufacturers. They are doing bedrooms, kitchens, offices, interior design, even layouts for shop fitters, and so on. So it's a complete option down from a point of sale, of course, to the manufacturing part, and then back to the customer. It starts from an online ordering system, for example, gets into their own software of ERP solutions, and then went to all production steps back to the delivery department, and then have this ready-made furniture for the customer assembled and also delivered.
Thank you very much, Ingo. Thank you very much for your time.
Welcome, welcome. We love to stay in contact with you guys, huh?
For sure.